People ask me, what is a chimney crown? A chimney crown is the very top of the chimney. Where the brick stops, there's actually a cement pad normally supposed to be at the very top. And often you'll see a flue tile that'll be sticking up through there. The chimney crown needs repaired if it's starting to crack and allow water in it or freeze-thaw problems at the very top of the chimney, which is very damaging to the mortar and brick just below it. You can tell if the chimney crown needs repair. At the very top, you'll see large cracks that run in through there. It should have been made of the right material. Concrete, not sand mix. In the big building construction booms in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, a lot of people at the end of the day, they'd use mortar, the same material you put the bricks up with. They'd actually put that up on for a crown. That's not the proper material. It should have been a hard concrete, almost like a sidewalk material at the very top. It won't disintegrate, fall apart. In most cases, what you do on a chimney crown, you'll actually remove it and get it down back to the brick. You put a membrane up there so it can move when you pour the concrete. There's two different ways. One is actually what they call a splay. It just runs to the edge of the brick. The other is more of a drip edge cap. It sticks over just about 2 inches beyond the perimeter of the brick. I really like outside mounted caps to take that place of that problem. It's extremely important to repair that chimney crown because the more water is in there, it's just going to accelerate. You're going to end up doing tuck pointing or repair mortar joints. You're going to have to repair the bricks. It can't go without being resolved because it's just going to get worse and worse and worse. If you don't resolve the issue, you're going to have more and more brick, and extensive brick repair gets more and more expensive. It's a better investment to get it sooner than later. I would recommend getting it looked at, get an estimate on it, put it in your budget, and resolve the problem. If you have a question about the crown or you've been told there's damage up there, we'll be more than glad to help you out. What we'll do is actually get a bird's eye view of the top of that crown, make a decision, does it need some brickwork or not, and take it from there. 662-4600 Clay Lamb, American Chimney.